Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Goan Pork Chilly Fry, a true Goan classic that's packed with mouth-watering flavor. This Goan Chilly Fry brings together tender pork, aromatic spices, and a hint of tanginess that gives it that signature Goan punch. Each bite is a perfect balance of heat, tang, and richness, just the way a real Goan chili fry should be. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Pork Chilly Fry, one of Goa's most loved dishes that's full of local flavor and home-style goodness. In this recipe, you'll see how the pork is marinated and cooked to perfection, then tossed with onions, garlic, green chilies and capsicum to create that bold and irresistible chili fry texture, juicy yet beautifully dry. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Pork Chilly Fry. Step 1. Marinating the meat. Take half kg of boneless pork meat. Try and select the belly portion as it has a good combination of meat and fat. Wash and clean the meat properly. Cut the meat into medium-sized cubes and place it in a bowl. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can be used. Mix everything nicely. Ensure all the pieces of meat are properly marinated. Cover and keep aside for at least an hour. You can also keep it overnight in the refrigerator. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Soak the tamarind in half cup or 125 ml of warm water. Take 3 medium-sized onions. Peel and wash them nicely. Take an onion and cut it into 2 halves. Cut and discard the edges. Then cut the halves into medium-sized cubes like I have shown. Do the same with the other onions. Take 1 medium-sized capsicum. Wash it nicely. Now cut the capsicum into 2 and then remove its stem and discard it. Remove the seeds and the white part from each half. Then take 1 half and cut it into medium-sized cubes like I have shown. Take 2 medium-sized green chilies. Wash them nicely. Take the green chilies and cut off their stems and also the ends and discard them. Then cut the green chili into 2 and then slit them. Take 3 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Crush them lightly. 1/4 cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. 1 teaspoon of spice powder. If you want to learn how to prepare spice powder, refer to Goan spice powder in our channel. The link is also given in the description box, or mention spice powder in your comment and we will send you the link. You will also need half teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the pork chili fry. Place an open heavy bottom pan on medium-low heat. Add the marinated meat. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes. Stir once or twice in between to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Cooking the meat without water will make it tender and flavorful.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, and subscribe for more recipes. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Then after around 10 minutes, add the spice powder. Rub and squeeze the tamarind well to separate the pulp from the seeds and fibers. Discard the fibrous material along with the seeds if any and add only the pulp along with the water. Stir everything properly and remove anything that is stuck to the sides or bottom of the pan. Cover and cook for around 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Stir everything nicely. Cover and cook for around 20 to 25 minutes. Stir occasionally and add little water if required to prevent anything from sticking to the pan. Do not add too much water as this chili fry is a dry dish. Stir everything properly. After around 20 to 25 minutes, add the cubed onions. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. After around 2-3 minutes, add the slit green chilies and crushed garlic. Add little water only if required to prevent the ingredients from sticking to the pan. Add the capsicum. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Add half teaspoon of salt. Cook for around 6 to 8 minutes or until the meat is soft and tender and is cooked completely. Check for salt, spice, sweetness, sourness and add whatever is required. Check to see if the meat is cooked. Once the meat is cooked, turn off the heat and garnish with coriander or cilantro leaves. Stir everything nicely. Total cooking time will be around 45 to 50 minutes or more depending on the cut of meat and the level of heat that is being used. Once you have finished cooking, transfer the extra leftover pork fat or oil into a bowl to use later while cooking something else. Delicious pork chili fry is ready. Serve this pork chili fry hot with pulao or bread or simply enjoy it as a starter. Do write a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.